Init. Woo! Ish. Init. Welcome to a new era of cooling comfort. Say hello to the Eureka Electric Fan, your ultimate solution for beating the heat. Imagine a fan that not only keeps you cool but also elevates your living space. That's exactly what you get with the Eureka Electric Fan.
With its versatile oscillation feature, the Eureka ensures that every corner of your room receives a refreshing breeze. Plus, with multiple speed, you can customize your comfortable to suit any situation. But what truly sets the Eureka apart is a whisper quiet operation. No more noisy, distraction, or interruptions, just pure, uninterrupted relaxation.
And let's talk about durability. The Eureka is crafted from high-quality materials, ensuring years of reliable performance, and also built to last.
Upgrade your home and stay cool all year round with the Eureka Electric Fan. It's not just a fan, it's a lifestyle essential that brings comfort and tranquility to your space.